Hello again, this is William Vinson, yeswilliam.com. Before we get started, let's like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell. And comment too if you got anything to say, even if you don't have anything to say. I was listening to a webinar with Neil Napier, I guess that's how you say his name, about Content Gorilla. And even though it's kind of broke right now, or was anyway, last time I checked, it's have some issues with it. I did get a lot of value out of the webinar anyway, and I wanted to share some of that with you. Some sites that not only can you make money at, you save money, like when you're advertising, things like that. I've got them saved on my desktop. I got a whole bunch of windows open right now, and I want to show it to you so you'll know, and or so you'll be able to use it anyway. And I'm going to put the links in my description too. There's going to be a slew of links in this thing in a little while, because there's a lot of things that you can do to make money, and it's not all answering surveys and things. You can use your affiliate thing in a lot more than just surveys. I mean, and make money in a lot more than just surveys. Okay, now I'm going to take you over there to these pages, and we're going to look at them, and you can do what you want to do. They're affiliate links, and you can use them to advertise on your in your videos or in your links, whatever kind of advertising you're doing on Facebook, Instagram, whatever. It don't matter. Okay, the first one we're going to start with is called SociCakeLocal, SociCakeLocal.com. You can get what they say here. Now, I've checked into a few of these. Get our 12 best-selling traffic apps for the price of one. Create a flood of leads and sales for your clients and your business with 2 done-for-you agency marketing packages. This isn't too bad. Now, I don't know. I mean, the comment bot was one of the things that I saw in here that, or messenger bot maybe, either one. I know the bots that I've seen are like $40 to $50 a month. So I don't know if this includes them or not, but I didn't go there. But you see, it's only $40. Well, only $40. If you spend only $40 at 10 different sites, 10 different sites, you spend a bunch of money. So, you know, $40 depending on what you got. But the point is that these guys have put this together for you. They even got a little short video, 2 minutes worth of video for you to watch here about their done-for-you agency marketing packages. Here is AliExpress portals. Now, AliExpress portals make your web traffic work for you. Our portals affiliate network is simple. We pay you for every purchase that originates from your website, blog, or SNS page. We also find incentives and tools to help you reach marketing goals. Sign in and register there. It's easy. We pay you. We paid out over $100,000 a month last year is what they're saying. So I don't see where that's so bad an idea either. I hadn't signed up for it yet neither, but I expect to. I'm going to put all these, you know, somehow or another, put all these things in to work. You know, it's like the surveys and games and apps thing. I signed up for them, but I'm not into that kind of thing. I've got a survey program I'm working for, but I don't think I'm going to keep doing that. The next one is Eclipse. This is where they're going to help you turn the guru's traffic into your income. They give you an early bird discount. They say there's only, but I know this is a marketing thing, that they're only going to have so many people in here. Nobody knows it exists. Well, y'all fixing to find out, aren't you? It's like the famous Sasquatch. The idea of hijacking the guru's income stream used to be just a fantasy until today. Your instincts may tell you this is launch jacking, but that's just a myth or a legend. That's why this is a way to put whatever you want in front of the guru's traffic without them even realizing you're doing it. That is faster, easier, and unique. Kind of got that mixed up, didn't I? Than ever before. Now, I could read you all this, but you can come here and look for yourself. There's a link down here at the bottom of it somewhere. once you get through all the stuff, there it is, where you can get it for $12.95. So $12 isn't too bad, but they've got some upsells in the back, so be prepared for that. Okay? Then you can go to Amazon. Now, go to Amazon, and if you go down to the bottom of their page, right here, if you can see it says Become an Affiliate. You click that button and fill out the paperwork, and you start advertising anything they got on Amazon. And Amazon has a lot of products, and they'll pay you 10% what you sell on of Amazon's products. Now, I've done this one, so I know that it works, and I've known of a lot of other people that's done it too. And you can look at all the stuff that they sell on these sites, and if they find it came from your website or your LinkedIn or your YouTube or your Facebook or anything, put all your links in there, all your websites in there, and if it comes from you, they're going to pay you for it. Okay, and here's a way to be able to save money on your advertising. The voucher store here will give you $100 worth of advertising for $9.99, and Google Ads $100 for $11.99. They've got a few coupons in here. Now, the thing is, you might want to check out and make sure these are valid, because I understand from what I heard in the webinar, they aren't always valid, but you'll want to check them out. So they got best sellers there and new arrivals. And if they are valid, then you can save money on that. And you see they got a bunch of different pages of things down here. So you just never know. Let's see what new arrivals are coming, if they decide they want to show them to us before we decide not to pay attention anymore. And Google Ads. Go to Google Ads, advertise on Google. And you notice it says start today and get $100 in ad credit. This $100 you get when you spend $50. You got to spend the $50 first before you can get the $100. And it's a one-time deal. They're not going to keep repeating it. But you can get your first $150 worth of advertising for $50. Okay, the next thing is Net Paths. Here you get free $100 AdWords coupon codes for 2019 Google paid search ads. Here you go again. For Google codes, there's the 200 brand new AdWords offers code, a new batch of $100 AdWords coupons. And you know, we're always looking for coupons, especially when it comes to AdWords, you know, what Google charges anyway. And what I would say is just use one coupon after another until you find one that works. If they all work, you can't use but one anyway, but if it works, then you've saved $200. Or this one, you saved $100. And you can just go and scroll on down and find out what else you might find. So, anyway, this will help you save money on your advertising. So if you do that, you'll save some money. You can make money on the other sites. So this is two ways, or I don't know how many, what do we come up with now, about 5 or 6 ways you could save money or make money without costing you anything. And this is what we're in the business for, trying to advertise and trying to keep an income coming in, our little income, while we're waiting on the big income. So check these sites out. Don't cost nothing to look at them. Might can find you can make money on some of them. You know, you got to make money somewhere or another on your way to. You got to make little money on the way to the big money, I guess is about the best way to put it. So if you check them out and you like them, get them. The affiliate things don't cost anything, and you're going to be advertising anyway. You're going to be making videos. You're going to be whatever you're doing, your Facebook ads, you're going to be making posts on Facebook, all that you're doing, you can make a little bit of money at it while you go. It doesn't hurt anything. I can buy you another program later on down the road. You see, they're not a whole real bad expensive. And in case you forgot about it, that Video Creator FX that I talked about before, there's a link in my description too for that, where you can make animated videos. And animated videos are big too, and doesn't cost much to do that neither. You can get the animated video FX is only $27. I think about anybody can afford that. And then you can get into doing your own video making too. So if you find value with my video, like it, subscribe to my channel, and comment what you think about these things, especially if you go to them and you use them and you find value in them, because that will go a long way in helping promote more products in the future. Y'all have a great day.